When you truly embrace personal brand as your core value offer that you embody, this is available to support you in being consistent even when you are faced with challenging times. Challenging times such as personal loss, challenging times such as sickness, challenging times such as a sense of despair, or challenging times just by the fact that for those of us in the Northern Hemisphere, it's summer. Knowing your personal brand, being connected to your core value offer, allows you, rather than to default into the coping cycle during challenging times, it allows you to creatively access a both and. And for those of us who are highly sensitive, we can feel the process of what is required to emerge from a challenging time into what we desire to create as a new. So there is a sense of what's happening here? Who am I supposed to be now? How am I supposed to act now? What do I do? Where do I do it? When do I not do it? That sense of emerging can be subtle or it can be more extreme, yet it's still there. So there's the necessity to create a new frame. How do I go about fill in the blank of whatever the action is, the situation, the endeavor, now? How do I do that now? But what is available for you as an anchor is that clarity of your personal brand. And this doesn't mean that there aren't days that, feel less joyful, or there aren't days that are more challenging, or days that there seems to be a greater sense of confusion or despair. Yet when you have that CVO, when you have that clarity of your personal brand, your whole entire sense of being is not rocked because of the challenging time or the sadness or the despair. When you're untrained as a highly sensitive, when you don't have a sense of your personal brand or CVO, it's very easy to have something disruptive truly disrupt you from like the inside out, where it can feel as if everything is falling apart because the highly sensitive nervous system is so raw. But when you're trained and training as a high functioning, highly sensitive entrepreneur and leader, you feel the despair, you feel the sadness, you feel the impact of challenging times, but your world isn't rocked